This video tutorial I will explain equals method of arrays class which accept boolean array and boolean array. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined boolean array 1. Then I have defined boolean array 2. Then I have defined boolean array 3. Then I am calling equals method of arrays class and passing boolean array 1 and boolean array 2. This method check whether boolean array 1 is equal to boolean array 2. If both are equal, then this method returns true, else it returns false. If you see boolean array 1 content is equal to boolean array 2 content. So this method returns true. Here I am comparing boolean array 1 with boolean array 3. If you see boolean array 1 content is different from boolean array 3 content. So this method returns false. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.